Dok, pwede po bang pagsabayin ang paggamit ng Azilane and azelaic acid? So the answer to this guys is yes. Pwede po natin gamitin ang ating Azilane soap kasama po ng ating azelaic acid. In fact guys, yung ating Azilane soap meron siyang active ingredient na tinatawag na potassium azelioyl diglycinate. Isa po itong derivative or family po ito ng azelaic acid kasi po may mga Filipinos na may sensitive and acne prone skin na hindi po masyadong makatolerate ng azelaic acid lalo na in higher concentrations. But with potassium azelioyl diglycinate, matotolerate po ito ng ating mga patients na may sensitive and acne-prone skin dahil gentler po ito compared sa azelaic acid. And pareho po yung properties or effects ng ating potassium azelioyl diglycinate at saka po ng azelaic acid. So it's a good alternative for those who have really sensitive and acne-prone skin. Kasi guys, we have to be careful, no? Yung azelaic acid, it's actually more effective at higher concentrations. Yung nagiging problem lang with azelaic acid at higher concentrations, mas malaki ang potential nitong makapag-irritate ng skin. So, if ever meron tayong acne-prone, sensitive skin, pag nagkaroon po ng irritation, dyan po nagkakaroon ng increased inflammation. And this inflammation can actually trigger more acne to come out or pwede itong mag-trigger din ng purging in some individuals, no? Kaya mas mainam para sa mga patients na may hypersensitive na skin ang ating potassium azelioyl diglycinate. So, sa paggamit po ng Azilane soap, kailangan proper ang paggamit natin nito. So, kailangan 20 seconds of gentle washing on the face twice a day, morning and evening. So, kahit gaano po ka-gentle yung ating mga skincare or mga facial wash or mga soaps, basta po hindi tama ang paggamit, meron at meron po talaga magiging chance ng irritation. If you're looking for an alternative for your azelaic acid cream or serum, I usually give my patients the potassium azelioyl diglycinate serum, and that is our Azelor serum. And that is very good for a lot of indications. It can help regulate your sebaceous or oil gland secretion, kaya nakakatulong din po ito sa acne. Dahil din po meron siyang mga antimicrobial effects, kagaya ng ating mga patients who have acne vulgaris and fungal acne, nakakatulong din po ang ating potassium azelioyl diglycinate. It can also help with red marks and dark marks as well dahil nakaka-help din ito in terms of its anti-inflammatory effects, and also ininhibit nito ang tyrosinase, which is an important enzyme in melanin production. Kaya nakaka-help din siya sa mga dark marks and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Alright guys, I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!